In IXL S5, we're taking a look at the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. In this IXL, it's very basic. We are identifying the piece that it's asking for. So for example, this says find the y-intercept of the following equation. So since the y-intercept is the b in our equation here, we're going to look at the b that we have, and it's -6, so I would plug in -6. For this example, we're asked for the y-intercept again, so remember y equals mx plus b, and b is the y-intercept, so I'm looking at that b spot, and I would type in 1/3. For this example, we want to find the slope now, and it says to leave it as a proper fraction, so the slope is the m in the equation, mx plus b, so it's the number that's right in front of x, so it's going to be our 8/5. For the last equation, y equals 5/7x minus 1, we want to find the slope. And again, slope is next to our x, so we're going to take our 5/7.